Alright. I can only do reverse because I cannot reach the reverse switch. Then after that, when I try the other one over there.
So we can reach that one over there.
Alright, I'll do it after. Brian's over there trying to reach this one out. We're just casually messing around with the fans at Dunkirk.
I just put them all on low, like you said, except for that.
Yeah, put this one on low.
Do you think this one can go on low too?
Do you think someone could flip the direction?
I already did.
Oh,
I
is that?
flipped it back. It's just spin. It's on low now, so it's taking parts.
Is it dead?
What the heck?
Or is it the other chain?
It can only work on.
It's part of loose wood.
Does it not work?
That reverse switch in the middle.
I think it's
No, it
blade
works on high.
stripping.
It works on high, but that's it.
Wait, what?
The reverse
Yeah.
switch.
Last year worked on low.
I think it's blade.
I don't know. Flip the reverse switch on that thing.
I
I
think
can't
it's
reach
the
the reverse
blade.
switch on this one.
Turn it on. Hold on, maybe I'll reach it. Wait.
Go on and give it a head start.
I think it's blade.
There's two chains.
Alright, here's this one. Alright.
No, if this chain works, if this thing turns on, just on high.
I think it's blade.
There's a short chain there. I don't know.
Oh.
It's blade.
Let's get going.
It's blade. I could tell. It's good.
Let's see if it's on low now.
Although it needs like tighten the
Wait, you hit
set screws.
stripping, it's blade.
Well, here's this one on high.
Yeah, it's definitely that blade.
Alright, I'm not gonna do spin down.
Those aren't very fine. Those aren't. Can't be.
It's on low.
That's it for this one.